Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review this 1998 Hoover Soft and Light. It's 7 amps. So let's get started. I got it at a swap meet. It's like a bunch of brush outs and one together. It's like at a playground. So, Ray got it. There was a Kirby there, but I didn't get it. This Furby is for heavy metal, like heavy vacuums. So, here we go anyways. I'm also going to show you guys how to use the hose. Stuff out of the way. And there we go. So yeah, I got a new light for it and a new brush roll. And so yeah. Plug it here. Show you the serial number here. Hold on. Line this up.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the serial number. Also, it's all back here. Here's the serial number. Focus camera. Model number. And that will be all. Please like and subscribe, leave a comment. Alright. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.